What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be doing some more wiring, just keeping on with the work in the car. So we got to get the fuse and relay panel made and then wired, everything all cleaned up. Got to finish those battery cables and then just keep working on the wiring. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, we've been in here doing some wiring on this board. You see we got all these relays here, fuses, and then a main breaker. So here we go, we got our test battery. Gonna hook it up, see if it works here. So hook it to that. Let's see, all the lights are now on the boards there. Now, or was it our ground wire here? Hook it up, and then we can get, gotta slide this back a little bit. And as you can see, you can hear them click, and they got the lights that come on there. So there we go. All of them work. Yeah, that's it. Just got them all wired in here, as you can see, all of this. So yeah, just keep working on this. Next step, I think, to get this in the car. Alright guys, so we got all of the zip ties on there. Get some of those wires tied together. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. It'll be better once we get these edge wires on here and we can tie them up to those. So yeah, just keep working on it. Alright, so we got the fuse panel in here. We got the FuelTech in here. And now, as you saw, we ran the battery cables up to the front. Now we gotta connect them to the fuse panel. So got this little vise in here and gonna put the ends on that. So I'll get a time lapse of that for you guys. Alright guys, as you can see, there are wires all over, just running everywhere in here. Just working on trying to get the wires to where, roughly to where they need to be and organized the right way. So yeah, just keep working on it and see where we can get to. I don't know if you guys saw this in the last video, but we got the nuts welded in and painted as you saw there, but we have the ignition box in down here in the passenger footwell. So yeah, just keeping on with the work in here. Alright, so we got the wires that need to go to the back, run to the back, all the cables for the FuelTech up over the tub there, and the drive shaft RPM sensor cable there.
Dangling.
So yeah, I think that's going to do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and make sure to go check out some of our other videos. Bye for now.